Hello, my name is Kayla Myers. Thank you for joining me for the OnBase demonstration of front office scanning. This is another module that can be used when capturing documents for your clinical and healthcare organization. The first thing you want to do when setting up OnBase front office scanning is creating your application pool and the location where you're going to have your configuration files. Once you've identified those on your servers, you would then go ahead and log into your OnBase configuration client. Select Medical, HL7, and your message template. We would want to create an AO4 message template. You would assign the correct settings for this template. Then you would create your segment. Each segment will have the information. So let's look at the patient identification segment. Within the fields here, you have your different fields of where the information is coming through on the HL7 and the field name. And then you'll also have your keyword type or data fields identified that you will be capturing. Once you have all your segments identified in the order you'd like them, you can go ahead and close this. And you can close out of here. And then the next thing, we would go to Medical, HL7, and select our import process. From there, we need to create an AO8 message. We would need to identify the message type, the sending application, so this would be your EMR system, the message action, which for the front office scanning would be to generate a front office scanning data set, and the location of that data set. Once you have all this configured, we can then go to that location of the data set. And we want to make sure we have our front office scanning application configured in our XML file. So if I open this one and do an edit with Notepad, I can see all the information that's going to display in my front office scanning application. Such as the patient information, the data set information, any columns I want, retrieval information I want, and probably the most important, the different document types I want. Once all that's configured, we can go ahead and launch our front office scanning icon here on our desktop. And here's our front office scanning. There are two ways to access front office scanning. You can install it on users' desktops, or it can be integrated with Epic if that is your EMR system. Once you're connected to front office scanning, you would see the list of patients that you've registered for that visit, or you could go ahead and create a patient. I suggest always using the HL7 so that way there's no missed keys. Double click on the patient you would like to scan documents for. Select the buttons over here to the side. You can create buttons that say scan document, sign document. These are completely customizable. Once you scan or capture signature, at that point, then you would then select the document type that you want to assign to that document. So maybe a patient ID, an insurance card, HIPAA, notice of privacy practice, anything along those lines. Once you have everything captured, you would then upload your images, and at that point, it would link to your EMR system. Thank you very much, and have a great day.